So good morning, everybody. Well, actually, it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Just want to share a little bit of what I'm doing right now before I go out to the garden, run to Costco, start making some more masks. I am making meatballs. I have not made sauce yet. I'm going to be making sauce overnight. Here are the meatballs cooking. I'm going to make as many as I possibly can. Probably put them in the sauce overnight while the sauce is cooking. Going to can the sauce in the morning and freeze the meatballs. So here's what I have so far. And a lot of these are going to be lunch for today. I'm really excited because I got all of my 9 tomato plants that I was waiting for yesterday. So I can't wait to go out to the garden and do that. It's a little bit warm today. It's one of the hottest days out here. It's supposed to be 80 something, which is, I know, not really hot for you guys, but really hot for us here at the beach. So while I make meatballs and do my errands and do some more running around, some work around here, tonight I will be doing the garden and I will show you guys that. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be canning. We may be doing something with cherries, and I think I might make a caramel, like a caramel sauce to put on apples and things like that. So yeah, some different things coming up. So here you go. Meatball time. I have to go. I have to turn these, and we have to eat. Just about 1 o'clock. So here you go. Got a little bit more to do. So see you guys a little bit later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.